Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have an update for you on Nano Dimensions. Nothing huge, but they finally scheduled their third quarter 2020 conference call for next Thursday, it looks like, okay? So Thursday, November 12th, before the market opens at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Depending on where you're at, that's probably in the morning, but I know a lot of you are international as well. So again, November 12th, Thursday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you haven't taken part in one of these quarterly conference calls, why not take part in this one? This is one of your favorite companies to invest in. I know some of you have, 5,000 shares. Some of you have just a few hundred shares, but Nano Dimensions is a really, really cool company. And what you might learn on this conference call is, first, you're going to learn some of their financials, okay? They talk about, usually the CFO will get on and they'll talk about, hey, here's how much money we have, here's how much debt we have. And as far as I know, Nano Dimensions has over $60 million in the bank, okay? They also have no debt, as far as I know. So really, really cool company, as you all know. So they'll also talk about, the CFO might get on and say, hey, here's our guidance for the next few quarters. Here's what we're thinking we're gonna do, earnings per share. Here's what we're thinking, how much revenue we're gonna have, blah, 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 okay? Now, we talked about not expecting a ton out of this earnings call for Nano Dimensions, okay? But this stock moves so quickly. We've talked about that as well, that, they could come out and say, hey, we actually have $70 million in revenue or $70 million in cash, and boom, the stock goes up. We don't know, right? So the CEO will probably get on and talk about some forward-looking statements and how much money and revenue and machines they're hoping to sell, and on and on and on. So it may give you some good insight into the company, and it may either strengthen your resolve in holding on to your shares in Nano Dimensions, or may get you more excited for the future with Nano Dimension as well. So I wanted to talk about that real quick. Also, remember, there is options trading available for Nano Dimensions. One thing that I'm potentially looking at doing is selling puts for February at the $2.50 strike price. With as much money as I've been investing in and out of Nano Dimensions. I don't know if I want to tie up that much collateral. If you guys have a lot of cash in your brokerage, or if you're using a margin account, I would encourage you to look at selling puts as an option strategy, because you can get credit for your collateral, and it's the Nano Dimension options is a potentially crazy scenario if you believe this stock is going to go up. It could be a really good option to tie up some of your money and make a good return on your money without risking too much. So I would encourage you to look at that. Again, the February selling puts for the February expiration at $2.50. That's something that I'm thinking of doing. I'll let you guys know on this channel if I do. But it's looking more and more enticing every day I check on it. So let's see here. Yeah, guys, that's all I have. That's the update. I'm putting out another video I just did already about just what the market's looking like right now. It looks like everything's up, which is really, really nice. Let's see where Nano Dimensions is at right now. It looks like they're up 6% today, 5.5% today. So that's really, really good. So if you bought the dip over the last couple days to week, you could be making some decent money if you wanted to swing trade this stock. So again, thank you so much for all the love lately and all the support. I really, really appreciate it. We tried to I wanted to get to 300 subscribers by the end of the week this week. And let's see, what's today? Today is Tuesday, and we're over 300 subscribers. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate all the support lately. Let's see if we can get to 400 subscribers by the end of the week. I would love that. I'll maybe treat myself to some ice cream or something like I talked about in the last video. So, or I'll get one of you ice cream. Maybe we'll do some sort of giveaway once we get to 1,000 subscribers. I think that'd be amazing. So again, thank you guys so much. If you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.